I hope you're all having a great Christmas. So today's video is on New Year's Eve party outfits, so I really hope you like it, and let's start. So this first look is perfect for a New Year's Eve party. I just think it's really flattering, and you could style the Bardot cut two different ways, which I think is just so good too. This dress is from Missguided, and you can also get it in loads of different colours too, like red or white, but I picked navy. What's great about this is that I think it's one of those dresses which you could wear to any occasion. You could wear this to a wedding or the races, which means you don't have to wear it just once for New Year's Eve and that's it, if you get what I mean. I know I say this every time, but if you're new to my channel, I leave links to every item I show in my videos in the description. So if you want to buy anything or check anything out, just click show more if you're on a desktop, or click on the title of this video if you're on a mobile, and all of the links to each item will be down there. For my second look, I wanted to show you an outfit that you could wear if you're not into dresses. So for this outfit, both my t-shirt and my shorts are from Boohoo. Shorts are great if you're not much of a skirt person. You can get so many cool patterns and sequins on, like this pair. I think this would be a great last minute outfit too, because you can wear any slogan t-shirt with this and a pair of heels. You could even wear a pair of black tights with this too, or any of these outfits I show in this video if you feel like you need an extra layer. The heels I'm wearing are just a strappy black pair from Aldo. I'll leave a link to a similar pair in the description. I'm so excited, can't believe it's time. For my third look, I'm wearing a strappy bodycon dress from Missguided. I really like the dove grey colour, and I just thought this dress would be perfect for a night out on New Year's Eve. Again, I'm pretty sure they do this in other colours too, so I'll leave a link to it in the description box. The shoes I'm wearing are a grey strappy pair from Matalan, but again, I'll link some similar. You could wear any of your favourite shoes with any of these looks though, and it would just look so good. For my fourth outfit, I'm wearing a red snakeskin print dress from Missguided. I wanted to include this dress because of its long sleeve and wrap detail. This is great for someone who doesn't want to expose too much, and you could even wear a pair of tights with this too. I just thought the red colour was really bright and fun, and yeah, perfect for a statement New Year's Eve party look. Holly jolly, snow is falling, it's that time of year, winter weather, families together, yes, the holidays are here. In outfit 5, this one is my favourite. I really love this skirt. You could wear it in the summer with a cami and then with a black top like I have here for winter. So this skirt is from Boohoo, and I'm just wearing it with a long sleeve black top from H&M. I just think it looks really classy, and the fact you can style it up for summer too, I just think is a great option to have in your wardrobe. I'll leave a link to it down below. What a wonderful Christmas. It's a wonderful Christmas. What a wonderful Christmas. And finally, for outfit 6, I'm wearing a black bodycon dress from Missguided. Everyone needs a little black dress in their wardrobe, and if you're not too much into patterns or colour, a black lace dress is the perfect option. You could wear a black leather jacket over the top, or a blazer over your shoulders too for an extra layer. It's a great dress which again you could style all year round for different events. Finally off to bed, I can barely sleep. So excited, can't believe it's time. So that is it. I really hope you liked this video and you've got some inspiration from it. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you did. I hope you have a great new year. Let me know what you're getting up to in the comments, and tag me in your outfits too, because I love to get inspiration from you guys. And I'll speak to you all in 2019. Bye guys.